Hi guys, my name is Maxwell and welcome to Cloudhouse Academy. Today I welcome you to our Zero to Hero Active Directory course. In this course, we are not just learning Active Directory, we are learning how enterprise organizations manage their users, computers, security, and access. Whether you want to become a system administrator, cloud engineer, SOC analyst, or a cybersecurity professional, AD still remains one of the most important technologies you must understand. By the end of this course, you will build a complete enterprise AD directory environment from scratch. Now, before we move on, I've grouped this Active Directory Zero to Hero course into 18 practical labs, which includes real skills and job-ready skills. Phase 1 is the foundations, where you will build the core AD infrastructure. Phase 2, the core administration, which includes managing, securing, and operating AD like a pro. Phase 3 is infrastructure service, where we will integrate AD with core network services. Phase 5 is the security and operation, which means we are going to secure, monitor, and defend our environment. And phase 5, the advanced enterprise, where we will extend, connect, and scale our AD. Now, before we move on to phase 1, I would want to take you through what we are going to do on phase 1. On phase 1, we are going to follow these steps because I want to make this roadmap very simple for a zero knowledge IT person to understand this. So the roadmap starts from downloading the requirement, which is the stage 1. You are going to download your Windows Server 2025 ISO, Windows 11 Enterprise ISO, VMware Workstation Pro, and some lab resources and files. And don't worry, I'm going to make a separate video that walks you through how to download all the requirements. Number 2, I'm going to make another separate video which you can watch and install VMware Workstation Pro, install VMware, configure the settings, and create your first virtual machine. Phase 3, we are going to install Windows Server 2025, do the basic configuration, restart, and review. And stage 4, we are going to set up our static IP address, configure static IP address, set DNS service, and test the connectivity. And phase 5, we are going to install ADDS role, install the DNS server, and verify our installation. And phase 6 is the most important thing, and it's the basic that you need: promoting server to ADDC. You promote to domain controller, create new forest, and verify your AD. So this will be the stages that will be under lab 1. So stay tuned, watch out for the next video, and start your hands-on practice.